Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Happy New Year to everyone. 2022. Wow, it's so hard to believe that a year has gone by. It went by so quick. But anyway, we're going to do the giveaway for this Liberty Victorian style sewing box. Still boxed up in its original container, hasn't been taken out. Courtesy of Annie over at Stashworthy Fabrics, and I'm going to make sure I put one of her business cards in here with it. So good luck everyone, and we're going to move over to the computer and draw a name. So let's go ahead and head over there. Okay, so now we are over here on the giveaway site. Let me pull up a random YouTube comment picker here. Alright, and then we are going to copy our address here. And we're going to filter duplicate users and get our YouTube comments. There are 13, so good luck everyone, and let's see who the winner is. Linda D. O'Dear. I'm sorry, sweetheart, if I butchered your last name. I don't know if it's supposed to be dear or dare, but she said, love the sewing box. Always enjoy your videos. Watching you. Wishing you a wonderful New Year celebration. Well, Happy New Year to you as well, Linda. You are the winner of the Liberty Victorian sewing box. If you would, down below in the comments below, I will list my email address and also my my Etsy. You can message me through Etsy if you so wish. So let's get back over to the video. Let me write her name down real quick. Linda. I think it's O'Dear. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I won't butcher it anymore. So let's go ahead and go back over to the video. Okay, so Linda O'Dear. I'm sorry. I'm going to stop saying it because I am going to butcher it, I know. Please notify me by 7 January, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time at the email listed below in the description block with your mailing address so I can get this mailed out to you. U.S. mailing address, please. And or you can message me through Etsy with the same information. I wish all of you a happy new year. I'm excited to do some new projects for the new year, and of course continue to do the junk journals because I love doing them. And until next time, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.